In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pen and paper, or more accurately, a whiteboard for online live classes using Google Meet. This is a fantastic skill to master, especially when you're conducting lessons or meetings that require visual explanations. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First off, you'll need to go to Google Meet. It's the platform where we'll be hosting our live online class. Once you're on the Google Meet page, take a moment to get familiar with its layout if you haven't used it before. Now, moving on to your next step, look out for the waffle icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of your Google services. This icon gives you quick access to a suite of tools that work seamlessly with Google Meet. After clicking on the waffle icon, what you want to do next is to open the Chrome Web Store. You might already have the Chrome browser open, and if so, you're halfway there. The Chrome Web Store is where you can find a multitude of extensions to enhance your online teaching experience. Next, once you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar to look for Whiteboard. This tool will be our primary focus for the lesson ahead. You should see several results pop up, but we're interested in a specific one that will integrate well with your online class setup. Make sure you have an understanding of which whiteboards are compatible with your needs. Look for ones that offer features like real-time collaboration or those that are easy to share with your students. Clicking on the chosen whiteboard extension will allow you to explore its features more in depth. Check out user reviews and ratings, which can give you insights into its functionality and any potential quirks. If you're satisfied with what you see, go ahead and add this extension to your browser. This setup will practically turn your online classroom into an interactive space where you can freely sketch ideas, write equations, or even brainstorm visually with your students in real time. After installing the extension, open it up to familiarize yourself with its tools. A quick exploration of its interface can be an absolute game changer for when you are in the middle of a session. Give yourself a couple of minutes to practice drawing or writing on it so you feel confident when it's time to use it during your live session. As you prepare to start your class, remember to share the whiteboard window through Google Meet. This allows all participants to see your work and follow along as you teach. And there you have it, a seamless way to integrate a virtual whiteboard into your Google Meet sessions for a dynamic and interactive online classroom environment. Happy teaching!